guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about containers inside of EditorX. If you haven't already, I really recommend you watch my last tutorial on the basics of EditorX before you watch this video. So if you're interested in that, the link will be in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. If we go up to the add panel and we go to the quick add, we'll see an option for container. If we pull that out to our canvas, this is what we're going to see. It's basically just going to be a box that we can put content inside of. The cool thing about containers is we can actually apply a grid to it. And then we have two areas that we can put content inside of. Also, if you're feeling a little crazy, you can actually put a container inside a container, and then you can apply a grid to that as well. But let's say we have a grid. What would be the point of adding a container box? Well, let's go ahead and add an image. We'll stretch this to the full width of the website. Then we'll go ahead and add a container box. And maybe we'll stretch this to the full width of the right column. If we come over to the inspector panel and go to the design tab, then we can change the color to maybe something a little darker. And we can lower the opacity. Then we can add content inside of that container, and we can still see the background and it looks really cool. Also, one really cool thing that we can do with containers is add hover interactions. So we can choose from a long list of transitions, or we can even customize interactions. But I'll be getting more into hover interactions in a later video. But that basically wraps it up for the video today. If you did enjoy, please press that like button and consider subscribing for more EditorX content coming out real soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one.